Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tech tutorials and tips. In today's video, lecture on the netstat network command. In this video, we'll explore the various capabilities of netstat and how it can be used to analyze network connections and statistics. So let's dive in. Introduction to netstat. The netstat command is a powerful network utility used to display active network connections, routing tables, and network interface statistics. It is available on most operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and macOS. The primary purpose of netstat is to provide network administrators and users with detailed information about the state of network connections and the overall network status. Basic usage of netstat command. To start with, let's look at the basic usage of netstat. Open your command prompt or terminal and type netstat followed by any options or flags. By default, netstat displays a list of active connections, including the local address, foreign address, and state of each connection. The local address represents the IP address and port number of your computer, while the foreign address represents the IP address and port number of the remote host. Commonly used options known as flags. -A option displays all connections, including listening and non-listening sockets. This option is useful for seeing all active and established connections. -N option shows numerical IP addresses and port numbers instead of resolving them to host names. This option speeds up the output display by avoiding DNS resolution. -P option displays the process ID, PID, and program name associated with each connection. This is helpful for identifying the applications or processes utilizing network connections. -R option shows the routing table and network interfaces. It provides information about the network routes your computer uses to communicate with different destinations. -S option provides statistics about network protocols, such as TCP, UDP, ICMP, and others. It shows information about the number of packets sent and received, errors, and other protocol-specific details. Analyzing connection states using netstat command. Netstat can help you identify the state of network connections. Common connection states include: established, represents an active connection with data flowing between the local and remote host. Close_wait indicates that the remote host has closed the connection, but the local host is still waiting for the application to acknowledge the closure. Time_wait occurs after a connection has been closed to ensure that any delayed packets related to that connection are properly handled. Listening represents a service or application that is actively waiting for incoming connections. Understanding these connection states can assist in troubleshooting network issues and identifying abnormal behavior. Monitoring network traffic using netstat command. Netstat allows you to monitor network traffic in real time by using the -C option, available on some systems, or combining netstat with other tools like Watch. You can continuously refresh the output for dynamic monitoring. This feature is particularly useful for network administrators to track network usage and detect any sudden spikes or anomalies. Filtering output using netstat. You can filter netstat output to focus on specific information. For instance, you can use the -P option followed by a process name or PID to filter connections associated with a particular program. This filtering capability helps in identifying network connections associated with specific applications or troubleshooting network-related issues caused by specific processes. Other useful netstat features. Netstat provides additional capabilities that can be useful in different scenarios. -I option displays network interface statistics, including information about packets, errors, and network traffic. -E option resolves MAC addresses to IP addresses, giving you a complete view of the network connections. -G option shows multicast group membership information. -O option Windows displays the owning process ID associated with each connection. Conclusion. That concludes our overview of the netstat command. Remember, netstat is a versatile tool for analyzing network connections, monitoring traffic, and troubleshooting network issues. By exploring its various options and combining it with other networking tools, you can gain valuable insights into your network's health and performance. I hope you found this video lecture on the netstat networking command informative and helpful. Don't forget to watch netstat practical session video to get clear understanding about netstat. Feel free to experiment with netstat on your own and explore its full potential. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.